Good morning to everyone. I am Tarangi Rahul, final year civil engineering student from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, Raigad. Today's my seminar topic is roadway in transportation engineering. Mainly, scientists told that without transportation, development of country is impossible. That is true fact. Without transportation, all of these things are stoppable from one country to another country. About the roadway, India has the second largest road network in the world, about 3.3 million kilometers of a roadway spread across the length and breadth of the country. The roads are preliminarily made of the bitumen, with some Indian national having concrete roads. The concept of expressway road is also catching up in India, and the Mumbai Pune Express and Delhi Gurgaon Express and the Delhi Gurgaon Express are the first example of the NHDP. NHDP means National Highway Development of Project, and the Gurgaon is the one of the best city to known as the satellite city of the Delhi, that is the known as Gurgaon. Now, the roads around the world in chronological order means there are number of scientists. He found that roads situation in the that of the 2400 era to 4000 BC. Introduction of this roadway, the first evidence of the road development in the Indian subcontinent can be traced back to approximately 4000 BC from the ancient cities. There, from 2000 to 4000 BC, first Emperor Chandragupta Mauryans constructed 2400-kilometer long road from Patliputra to Takshashila, now in this is Pakistan. And from the British first road, this Grand Trunk road from Calcutta to Delhi. There are so many scientists. First one, the Tresagate France scientist. He known was laid parallel to the curving road surface in era 1762 1796. Next scientist is coming to the Metcalf. He also known about the good foundation well drained. Next one, the Telfords of the era 1757 to 1834. He known as heavy foundation stone and total thickness of the order is the 35 centimeter. The main function of the macadam construction, he was getting a cross slope of the 1 in 36 was the proposed from subgrade evils. Next one, there are so many act included in the India. CRF means Central Road Fund in 1929, IRC Indian Road Congress 1934, Motor Vehicle Act 1934. Now there are classification of the roadways, mainly classification of the roadways in a five groups: expressways, national highways, state highways, district highways, and village roads. But now these other district roads and the village roads are including in rural and other roads. About the expressways, there are so many function, all this possibility, and it is constructed by the NH or SH, depend upon the central government. Now the national highways, about national highways, the first national highways are constructed to the joining from the one city to another city to development of the everything's. Like state highway also similar function from joining two state. Major district road, likewise taluka headquarter district one from the another district. Rural and other roads are coming from the our rural area, likewise village road is also. National highways in India, the national highways are the principal highways moving across the length and breadth of nation, joining important harbors, big commercial and tourist hubs. Mainly the national highways are the there are entire road communication is based highest specification. Example of the NH1 is the Leh Jammu Kashmir to Uri from the Jammu Kashmir. Along also state highway also from the SH47, example from Mahad to Pandarpur. Also there are national, now the National Highway Authority of India, that is NHAI, established in 1988 but amended only in 1995. Responsibility of the NHAI to maintain and operate NH. National Highway Development Program is occurs in NHDP, likewise in 2001. Enhanced safety future, better road geometry, all of this property, grade separation, over bridges and underpasses. Now the projects under NHDP, that is main first of the biggest project gold quadrilateral, that is DKCM, that is Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, already constructed 99 percentage. Total cost of this project is 58,000 crore, and the length of this total project is 5,846 kilometer. Second most of the projects under the NHDP is the north south and east west corridor, total 7,300 kilometer, from the Srinagar to Kanyakumari in southern, and Silichar to Port Bandar is eastern to western. Now, the National Highway Authority of India was constituted by an Act of Parliament. The NH of India Act is 1988. It is the responsible for the development, maintenance, and the management of NHA. There are in between highway alignment. Highway alignment is the good for the all these characteristics regarding the construction of the road. There are so many highway alignment, shortest path, easy to construct, safe in case, and it is economical. These all properties are included about from the road construction is very important. The all works are under the PWD offices. The PWD of various states look after the state roads and state highways. The state and union government have common responsibility for constructing thoroughfares and sustaining the roadways in the country. There are so many road pattern, hexagonal pattern, star and grid pattern, radial and grid pattern, star and block pattern, and all of this road construction material in the pavement. There are also two types of the pavement. One is the rigid and another is a flexible. Depend of their functions and criteria, there are classified. Engineering surveys for the highway alignment, there are four basic types: map study, recognition survey, preliminary survey, and final location and detailed survey. All these characteristics are successfully implied, then the site of selection is started to the road construction. Next one is the there are camber, grade separation, in all that parts are including in the this highway geometry design. In side distances also is importance for the night and days during stopping side distance, and another is the overtaking side distance at night times also intermediate side distance. There are so many criteria for the regarding this highway geometric design. In this roads construction, there are so many advantage and also disadvantage of this road. National highways are the principal moving across the length and breadth of nation, joining important harbors, big commercial and tourism hubs. That's why the road development is very vast or various is spread about the in this previous 2 years. From the now the meeting of this Honorable Minister Nitin Gadkari ji told that the now the everyone every road from the village to national highway, from the state, from the taluka, from the district, from the state, also each and every in the urban and as well as rural area. So joining in the fast, and in 2 years from the in the all Maharashtrian roads are completed up to 2025. So the NHA and MSRDC, these two departments are under this PWD doing that all the types of the highways. The main highways function is this construct the roads as well as the depending upon the all that sources and all this requirement. So in depending upon this total cost. Likewise, if the road has example road has 14 kilometer, for the potholes fill up, there are so many criteria from the aggregate, which types of aggregate use, which types of the bitumen is used. So temperature of the bitumen when comes in the various liquid, semi solid or liquid types of this bitumen is very important in this highway engineering. And in the highway engineering, so many advantage for the development of country. So transportation is mainly useful for the development of country.